company that you ever invested in is listed here on the NSE. And for 32 years, the exchange itself stayed private. That changes now. But the way it changes should make you pause and first understand what's happening rather than get swept up in the hype. First, let's quickly talk about what happened. On June 17, the NSE filed its draft papers with SEBI. This has happened after a decade of delays. Yes, a decade. I'm talking about late 2010s. Now, NSE is finally going public. What unlocked this is that SEBI granted its no objection certificate to NSE in January this year. This was the final block on the road that has now been removed. Expected valuation stands at 5 lakh crore rupees. The single company that runs the backbone of India's derivative markets. More context, this valuation makes NSE more valuable than a few nifty 50 companies you might already be holding in your portfolio. What makes this IPO genuinely strange is this. NSE is not raising a single rupee for itself. Zero fresh shares. This is a complete offer for sale, meaning that existing shareholders such as SBI, Bank of Baroda and other institutional investors are simply selling the shares that they already hold to you. Company's own balance sheet gets nothing from this listing. This is actually very common for mature cash-rich companies. It means that the IPO hype that you are seeing in the headlines is not any growth strategy or like a fresh growth start for NSE. It's simply an exit clause for existing investors who had invested in NSE decades back. Talk about the pricing puzzle now. NSE's listed rival BSE already trades at 65 times its earnings. NSE, with near total dominance in the derivatives market, may actually list at around 35 to 40 times of its existing earnings. Obviously looks like a steep discount for a dominant player. The obvious question is, why would the bigger, stronger company be valued lower? Simply because FY26 was down for the NSE in terms of revenue and profit, thanks to SEBI's latest F&O curves that have been biting into volumes. This is basically market's way of saying that yes, you are dominant, but your growth is limited due to a regulatory ceiling. BSE, currently riding a wave in weekly options, doesn't have right now. If you're planning to apply for this IPO, please don't chase the hype and actually understand the dynamics that are going in the underwoods. I hope you found this helpful. Call for more.